Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to look through camera. So as example I will create the cube object, and for the first you can create for the new camera. I will create camera from view and I will orbit. Okay, we create again camera from view, and the third I will create in here. You can zoom in, view, and then create camera from view. So in here we have the three camera perspective here, perspective 2 and perspective 3. Now we'll look through this camera. You can select and then you can go to the panel menu, click look through selected. So there be view in this camera. Okay, we'll move again in perspective 2, this camera. And if you want to move, you can click panels again, go to look through selected. So that's it for basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to look through camera.